Hello guys, today we're gonna see to how to receive money through Western Union in Pakistan. Okay, this is simple. We're gonna find in our browser Western Union, and then we're gonna click the first result that appears here in the results. Okay, and we're gonna click this right here, and then we're gonna create an account. If you want, you can create an account clicking this button, or if you want send money directly, so you can see how it works, and you're gonna click this button right here. We're gonna wait until this load, and right here we're gonna click this area to select Pakistan. Once once selected, we're gonna type here the amount to send, and right here we're gonna see the the amount to receive, or in the money of the country of the Pakistan. Okay, right here in this area we have uh, uh, three different options to choose. Right here we're gonna see uh, three options that you can freely pick one of them. Right here you can see we have cash picket. This option allows us to go to a branch with the Western Union transfer receipt and withdraw the money. Okay, this second option is bank account. Is really simple as it sounds. This option right here, it allows to receive the money simply by sending the account number to the person who is going to transfer it to us. Okay, it's similar with mobile wallet right here, and we can choose uh, uh, any option what appears here to mobile wallet. Okay, mobile wallet right here we can choose, and then we're gonna send the information of the mobile wallet to the person who is going to transfer it to us. And well, and you can see it's really simple. We can continue. If you are sending the money, we can continue right here, clicking right here this button, and then sending the money to the person who's gonna receive. And your dear, and well, if this video was helpful, please comment and subscribe.